Hey guys, Paul here. My car's got flaking gel coat, cracking paint, so either I can sand, prime, and paint it, which is going to take a lot of time and cost a lot of money, or I can paint racing stripes on it, and then this rig will be the envy of the neighborhood. Hey guys, so we're masking up the stripes here. I'm going to have a wider stripe here, followed by a narrower stripe. Masking everything off, mask off your windshield, and also, to be really cool, when you're coming down around the contours of your front grille here, make sure that you tuck that in so as we're spraying, it's not going to bleed out this way, and keep our lines nice and sharp. Same thing here, just tuck your tape in, and that way you'll get a nice clean stripe. Alright, cool. Going with some Ace Premium Enamel Indoor-Outdoor paint. Really budget shopping, really affordable, great paint. Going with the Navajo white here. Awesome, old school color. Give it that vintage vibe. It's a little breezy out here tonight, so I'm kind of working in between breezes. This is going to take 2 coats because of the black color. But you can see that looks really nice, covering very nicely. Make sure you mask off everything like your windshield. Don't want to get this paint all over the place. Masking is really key. You want to make sure everything is masked off just the way you want it. Alright, and the tail light, a little bit of the tail light is right behind there. Let's go ahead and paint this up. Man, is that cool or what? Oh yeah, dig it, man. This is what I was talking about before, to make sure when you fold this under, see, you'll see what I mean coming up here. See that? How that comes out pretty nice right there. See right there? Not bad. And we're ready to roll out of here, take a little cruise around the neighborhood, see if we can turn any heads. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Give a thumb up for cool racing stripes. It would be great to have you as a sub to my channel. Start your engines. Hey guys, Paul here. I'm so happy with the way these racing stripes turned out. Putting a link in the description to my first video. The front and the rear, that I'm going to finish off now along the roof here of the car. One thing I need to mention is you got to clean this. I'm using vinegar, white vinegar, and white vinegar takes off any pollen, oil. You know, you got residue, oil residue, and that vinegar cuts right through it. Now you could rough this up with sandpaper as well to give a textured surface for that paint to adhere to. But you can see that the finish on this car is really pretty beat up anyway, so I'm not too concerned. I just want that enamel to stick onto it, and that vinegar takes off any residues, any oil, any dirt or grime. And that's what I'm doing here, is prepping my surface with vinegar, and then I'm going to dry it with a clean dry rag here. Just want to show you guys how I'm matching this up to get my lines straight, going over the top of the roof and extending down to the back. I'm just measuring straight up from that middle black line, and that is, I'm just using 1-inch tape for that middle black line. So I'm measuring from that point, then I can put my tape right on that edge. Alright, so I've made a little notch, a little mark down here, and I made a little mark here, line up with the back end. Taking a piece of tape and running it right down the center, and then just to confirm, to measure off, you know, that's 8 inches right there. Come down over at the same width, and that's 8 inches right there as well. So this looks good, looks straight. I know my thinner stripe is 2 inches wide, so I'll mask off 2 inches straight right off here, and the wider stripe is 5 inches. You know, you can make it whatever dimensions you want. I'm going to mask it off 5 inches on that side as well. Make sure that your dimensions, going about 5 1/4 there, are consistent. 5 1/4 up there. Going with the Ace Premium Enamel paint. Really great paint. Navajo white. Check it out. This is the fun part. Alright, came out pretty well here. I'm going to hit some spots with nail polish remover, some spots that bled through, but overall I'm really impressed with it. Looks really good. Coming back over here, going up top. Down the front. It's nice you get that continuity with the roof stripes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up for vintage racing stripes. I hope some of you guys put some stripes on your rig too. It'd be great to have you as a sub to my channel. And we'll see you guys real soon.